Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Nini. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you the new assignment that I just got in the mail, which is the Speedy 20 from LV. So I have been waiting for quite some time until the LV Speedy 20 came out. And I was super lucky that I was able to place the order before the launch date, just so I could get it first thing. I'm very excited that I could get my hand on it first thing at all, but I just didn't have the time to do the unboxing right away, so that's why I is waiting all this time until now. So here today I finally found some time and do the unboxing on my new purchase, the Speedy 20. So here comes the unboxing. So this bag is 20 centimeter across. So that's why it's called the Speedy 20, and I really love it that it is in the empreinte leathers, which is really strong and durable. And I have this type of leathers. I have this bag here that I absolutely adore. I love empreinte leathers. So out of everything that LV have, all type of canvas and all type of leathers, I just fall in love with the empreinte leathers, and I have no problem collecting any kinds of a handbag that I like, and I just wish that they came out in empreinte leathers. And this time the Speedy 20 is in empreinte leather. I'm super happy. Another thing I like about LV hardware is that it just looks really strong, durable, thick and hard, and the gold color looks just perfect. It's not so much of the you know, the old super yellow gold, or I didn't even like the light gold. I think this is just the perfect gold color for a black handbag. So that's why I like most of LV piece. Most of the bag that's come with the gold hardware, I like it so much better than the silver hardware. Okay, I think most of my bag is in gold hardware. My pochette matisse is in gold hardware. Of course, this one is too. My Chanel, my Gucci padlock. Yeah, most of my handbag is in gold hardware, and I prefer to have gold hardware. I think it's just so much better. It just looks so classy, and it just makes the color stand out much better than the silver or like any other color hardware. But to be honest, when I have a black handbag, I prefer my black handbag with the gold hardware colors. And for lighter colors, maybe white or lighter gray, lighter blue, or maybe light pink, then I like those color with silver. But for a black color handbag, I love that it's come with the gold hardware. I think it just looks so much better. To be honest, I like this bag a lot as a top handle rather than a crossbody or even a shoulder bag. I think that when I put it on against my body, because of how big of a circle this bag is, I think it doesn't look right when I wear it as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. But to be honest, carry this by the top handle, it just looks so cute, and it totally my style to be carried this bag as a top handle. But again, like I say, I do love the option that this bag coming with the removable strap, so that if I need to put the strap on, then I could put the strap on, but otherwise I could just carry it by the top handle. And yeah, it's just so easy to remove. Therefore, I think it's totally worth it. So I heard from my essay that the Speedy 20 in the monogram canvas will come out sometime in November. I'm gonna wait until the day that I could place an order for it, because I'm very happy. I want to have it in this colors, in this empreinte leathers, and also I also want to have it in the monogram canvas as well. I think it just be so cute. Also one day if it's come out in the damier band, I will go for it as well. I love damier band, it's just so cute. So what do you think about Speedy 20? You think this will be an trendy bag that people gonna go crazy after, like the NATO one, or you think it's just gonna be hit or miss? So leave me a comment down below. Tell me your thought, if you are totally in love with the Speedy 20, or if you don't even care for the Speedy 20 at all. So that's it for the video today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and it will help a lot if you consider to like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thought about the Speedy 20, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Thank you.